Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Toontrack EZdrummer 3. I got my download from pluginforest.com. They offer plugin with lifetime activation. They also offer live chat support. If you have any issue, you can contact to them. Once you buy from pluginforest.com, you will get the zip file. Unzip the file first. Okay, so once unzip is done, open folder, install setup. Make sure you have select all of this one. Now install MIDI packs. Okay, so once MIDI pack installation is done, go to the core library 2 folder, install one by one. Go to the second one. Now install updates one by one. Okay, so now go to the core library 3 folder, install. Okay, there you go. You will see the option where you want to install the Toontrack drummers MIDI libraries. I'm selecting default location. Is better if you also select default location. Okay, so now after install the core library 3, close everything, open EZdrummer 3. It's loading. There you go. Here you will see the all plugins and MIDI libraries. Now we can check in our DAW. I'm using Ableton. Here you go. So plugin is activated. Thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna catch you on my next video. Peace.